Hey everyone, this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back. Well, I know y'all see all of this vinyl. I have a lot of it, right? Well, I'm going to be using this vinyl because I still use vinyl in my Cricut machine because I am going to be making my twins a cute birthday skirt. It's called like a cheerleader skirt. Now I have a pink one and I have a purple one because they love pink and purple. I also have this cute white shirt that they asked for, and it's a long sleeve shirt, but I will have a video showing you how I'm going to be doing that. Now as you see, I have this cute glitter vinyl that I'm going to be using, so y'all continue to watch.
What are you about to do?
Hey everyone, this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and as you see, I'm about to make this skirt for my twins. I'm going to be using some vinyl to go ahead and do this. I have my heat pressed heating up to 400 degrees for 60 seconds. I have a pink skirt, a purple skirt. You're gonna say, hey, pink skirt, purple skirt, and I have they chose the white shirts to go on there. You know, one light pink, one light purple. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you how to do this. Okay. Alright y'all, so this is what I'm starting with. I am doing white vinyl on the pink skirt, and I'm going to do official, the 1, the 3, and I'm going to do teenager on the end. So I have my Teflon sheet. So what I did, because this, I wanted to lay flat, I just put a little heat tape on here just to see if it'll hold it. And I'm just going to go ahead and just, it's hot. I'm going to go ahead and place my Teflon sheet over it just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and pull it down so that it can heat. Alright y'all, so now I have the official and the 1 down. So what I'm going to do here on this pleat right here, I'm just going to take my 3 and I'm going to place it like right in here, in this area here. Hopefully that is going to, let's see, I think that's gonna be straight, don't you? Huh? Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna put the 3 here, and like I said before, I'm just putting a little heat tape on it just so that it will hold. Now I'm gonna do the same thing for the purple skirt also. One is doing pink and one is doing purple. So I'm just going to show you this one, because it's going to be the same way with the other one. So I'm going to take the Teflon sheet, place it back over just like so. Okay. And now I'm going to heat it again. Alright y'all, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and start taking this off because I have placed it down. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start peeling. And you have to make sure that it is down. If not, you have to go back and redo it, okay? Alright, y'all. So I just hung it here on my little thing that I have. Now, this is it right here, y'all. Super cute, right? Look at there. So this is what my twins are going to be wearing today for their birthday celebration. And y'all, this turned out amazing. Look at there. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and do the purple one for my other twin. Then I'm going to show you what I'm going to be putting on the shirt. Alright, y'all, so as you see, here is the purple one. So I showed you the pink one, and there's the purple one, y'all. Super cute. So again, I use my Cricut to make these skirts. And I use the vinyl. Now, the vinyl that I use, y'all, this vinyl is absolutely amazing. This is some vinyl that I bought. I had a customer who wanted some vinyl done, some work done. So I did it for an event planner. You may have seen that video. I think I put a video here. But when you get vinyl, y'all, vinyl lasts for a really long time depending on what you have to do with it, okay? So with that event that I did, I think I had purchased like 3 rolls of vinyl. And this is one of the rolls that I still had left from it. So it's just a little bit left just to make these skirts. But vinyl will go a long way depending on your what you have to do with it. Okay, so I'm gonna link this vinyl because it peels so amazingly, y'all. But these are the skirts, so let me go ahead and show you how I'm gonna do the shirts.